Well, there is a very simple concept whenever you want to understand about any new technology or any existing technology. The important thing is that whenever we talk about any new technology is directly related with any existing problem, which means that there is a problem, and if you find any kind of solution about that existing problem, so it will become a new technology, it will become a new application, it will become a new industry. And same goes for the virtualization platform. Back in 2000, we are facing problem regarding the physical server resource utilization, regarding the network, storage and compute. Basically, whenever we installed a server operating system on any physical server machine, so all the resources will be utilized by this single operating system. So how this virtualization technology help us? Basically, this new virtualization technology and hypervisor have the capacity and have the capability to convert physical components into logical components. Whenever our compute, our network and storage converted into software components, so we can create virtual machines inside the physical host machine. Now, with the help of this virtualization technology, we are platform independent because our physical components converted into logical components, and with the help of those logical components, we can easily create virtual machines as per our own requirement. So it's a kind of technology evolution, and we took first step with the help of virtualization technology, and we utilize this technology for almost 20 years, or you can say that almost 15 years. Now, after 15 years, we were in another problem. The important thing is, if we want to run multiple applications inside a single virtual machine with a single operating system, so it is not possible. If I want to run multiple SQL application inside a single operating system, I can't do this. And in the same manner, if I want to run multiple Nginx application inside the single virtual machine, I can't do this. So it means that now I need a new technology, a new application and new evolution for IT infrastructure and operations. So now we introduce a kind of a platform, or you can say application and technology, which is known as Dockers. So with the help of Dockers, inside the single virtual machine, inside the single operating system, we are able to run multiple application in an isolated environment. Now, if I want to run 4 SQL applications in an isolated environment inside the single virtual machine and single operating system, Docker can help us regarding this. And these 4 applications will be completely isolated from each other. And it's not only limited with the SQL. We can this Docker platform can run multiple active directories inside the virtual machine, multiple Nginx, multiple web services, and lots of other applications inside the single virtual machine. So that's the evolution of virtualization technology in second phase, or you can say at second level. And those isolated environments now known as containers, and that whole process will be known as containerization. So the Dockers and containers are directly related with each other. Docker is a platform Docker is the platform which has the capacity, which have the capability to isolate number of applications inside the single operating system, and that isolated environment is known as containers. So the problem solved, and we finally reached inside the second phase of the evolution of virtualization world. Now, after utilizing this Dockers and containers technology, we are facing another big problem, and that problem is about scalability, fault tolerance, high availability, and performance optimization. So these are the four major areas we need to address this. The problem is that whenever we create a single container, so a single container can run a single application, but due to any reason, if that container went down, so I will be unable to continue my IT operation. So now I need a kind of platform in which I can run multiple containers for single application. By that way, I can easily achieve scalability, fault tolerance, high availability about virtualization industry. And that feature I can avail with the help of Kubernetes. So that is the third phase of evolution of the virtualization industry, where we run multiple containers for a single application inside the Dockers, and that technology is known as Kubernetes. So these are the simple evolution of the industry. At level 1 virtualization, at level 2 we have Dockers, and at level 3 we have containers. Thank you very much.